Imagine yourself in this Ford 2016 Taurus SEL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include engine, 3.5L TVC/TV6, transmission, 6-speed select shift automatic, wheels, 20 machine finish, white platinum metallic DRI coat, voice-activated navigation system, front license plate bracket, navigation system, roof, power moon and front-wheel drive. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.